Uh, Hello, Nikhita. How are you? Good morning.
Good morning, sir. I am fine. How about you?
Good, fine. Nikhita, you applied for front-end position, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Before starting, tell me about yourself.
First of all, thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Darades Nikhita. I am basically from Solapur. I have completed my graduation in BC from CSC branch at TPCT College of Engineering, Osmanabad. My short-term goal is I have get job in reputed company. My strengths are I am good advisor, self-motivated. My weaknesses are
Yes.
English communication, they are proper.
Can you explain about your previous work, on which domain you work, on which project you work? Hello.
Hello.
Yes. Can you explain about your previous work, on which domain you work, on which technology, on which project you work?
No, sir.
And why are you changing your current job?
Because I have learned more new things. Means I can develop. I want to develop skills, new skills that is not in current job.
How much you rate yourself in HTML, CSS, JavaScript out of 5?
Sir, your voice is low.
Hello. How much you rate yourself in HTML, CSS, JavaScript out of 5
3.5.
in all three?
Yes.
First, first go ahead with HTML and CSS, then we'll start on JavaScript. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. First, tell me what is the difference between HTML and HTML4 and HTML5?
HTML4 supports audio and video tag, audio and video without using Flash Player. HTML5 in HTML5 there are special semantic tag for audio and video tag. In HTML4 doc type declaration is complicated. In HTML5 doc type declaration is easy. In HTML4 we can't draw shapes like triangle, circle. In HTML5, we can easily draw shapes like triangle, circle. In HTML4, inaccurate syntax cannot handle HTML4. HTML5 handle the inaccurate syntax. In HTML4, head body tags are essential. In HTML5, head body tags omit. You can omit. There is no error. In HTML5, it's essential. In Hello, sir.
Okay, now good. Now tell me what is difference between inline element and block level element?
Line element take width is equal to content. In block level element, text width is equal to its parent. In inline element, we can't apply margin at 4 sides. In block level element, you can apply margin at all 4 directions. In inline element starts on new line. In block level element starts on same line. Sorry. Block level elements div paragraph. Inline element span. We can apply height and width in 2 directions, top and bottom in inline element, and in block level element we can apply height and width in all directions.
Are you sure on this condition? Okay, brush up on it again after the interview. Okay, Nikita, on inline element and block level element. Okay. Now tell me, what is the box module?
HTML element is considered as box, which includes some various properties like margin, border, margins, space outside border.
Hello, hello, Nikita. Your
Border
voice is
means
breaking. Hello, your voice is breaking.
element block box, which includes various properties like margin, border, padding, and content. Margin, it's space occupied outside the border. Padding, padding is space between border and content. Border is separator between padding and margin. Content appears text and images.
Can you repeat it again?
Box model means every HTML element is considered as box. It has various properties like margin, padding, border, and content. Margin means space occupied outside the border. Border means separator between padding and margin. Padding means space between border and content. Content appears text and images.
What is box sizing?
Box sizing, it is a CSS property which is used to calculate height and width. By default property of box sizing is content box. In content box, it includes content in height and width. When we change its value to box sizing to border box, then content, padding, and border calculate in height and width. It includes content, border, and padding in height and width in box size, border box property.
What is key difference between key difference between tag and HTML element?
HTML tag means starting and closing angular brackets, and HTML element means starting angular bracket, some content, and end with angular bracket means paragraph tags, starting paragraph tag, some content that in that like HTML, and closing paragraph tag is HTML element. HTML element. HTML tag examples are paragraph, H3, H4, H5.
Okay. What is difference between EM and I tag?
I don't know so about that.
What is mean by attribute?
It gives meta information of HTML element.
What is float?
Float is CSS property. Mm, There are two types of. There are two CSS property of float: float right and float left. Uh, Clear both properties used to nullify float effect. Means when apply one paragraph float property, then next paragraph is also affect that property. We use clear both property to nullify second paragraph effect, float effect.
Okay. Share your screen first.
Screen is visible, sir.
Yes. Now create a one list. Okay. Now listen
Mhm.
carefully. I
Hmm.
want to starting serial number with small alphabet, like small A, B, C, D. Okay. Okay. Hello. Okay. Now listen carefully.
Hmm.
Um, Open the index.html.
Hmm.
Okay. We have some list. Okay. In
Hmm.
that HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Angular, just like that. Some text. Okay. I want to red color
Hmm.
each even text,
Yes, sir.
even a text. Okay. How to achieve it? So No.
Hello.
Yes. Okay. Good. Tell me, in how many ways can we position an HTML element?
Here are five position HTML elements. First is sticky. Second is fixed. Third is relative, absolute.
And by default position of HTML element.
Static.
Static. Listen carefully. Okay.
Yes.
Suppose we have one or two box. Okay.
Mm,
And first box, its height and width is 500 by 500. Background color is black.
mm,
And we have second box, its height and width is 100 by 100. Background color is red.
mm.
Now I want to uh, second box on the center of first box. How to achieve it? Match their both center.
This one.
Okay, good. Now, tell me, which type of advanced selectors we use in your CSS?
There are five selectors, types of advanced selector used in HTML. First is simple selector, second is descendant combinator selector, third is pseudo selector, fourth is Attribute selector. In simple selector, there are 4 types: tag selector, universal selector, class selector, ID selector. In attribute selector, pseudo classes. In pseudo selector, there are 2 subtypes: pseudo classes and pseudo elements. In descendant selector, combinator selector, there are 4 types: descendant selector, direct child selector, adjacent selector, and general sibling selector.
Okay. Which type of symbol we use in a adjacent sibling selector
Plus
and in general sibling selectors?
tilde.
Tilde. Okay, good. Can you explain in brief symbol selector?
Which
Both,
selector?
both pseudo class and pseudo element. Explain briefly
Pseudo
which type of pseudo classes we use, which type of pseudo element we use.
classes and pseudo elements.
Yes.
In pseudo classes, we apply CSS for particular state. In pseudo elements, we apply CSS for a particular element. In pseudo classes, various types are there: first child, second, last child, first of type, nth of type, nth of type, U1, odd,
Okay.
over, focus, active. In pseudo elements, first letter, first line.
Okay. What is difference between link tag and anchor tag?
What's up?
What is difference between link tag and anchor tag?
Link tag is used to attach external CSS. In anchor tag, anchor tag is used to redirect from one page to another page. Link tag is used to link external files.
Okay, good. Now we'll start on JavaScript. Okay.
Okay.
First, tell me what is meant by function.
Function.
Yes.
Function is a block code which is used to perform particular task, or it is a relationship between input and output.
Oh, can you show me one example of function expression and function declaration?
So,
So just find in index.html.
What, sir?
Okay, now good. You can continue. Okay, first tell me which function is a function expression and which function is function declaration.
First is function declaration, and second is function expression.
Okay, then try it after the interview. All things.
Okay, sir.
What is index of an caret?
Index of means it is method which is used to find index
Show me one
of
example on that. One example of index of and one example of caret.
in character, print each and every character.
Then show na. What is useful? Show me.
Is like this. Index.
What happened?
Hmm?
What happened?
I take for index number in character function method, then print v.
Why? It's spent only V.
Mm, Index number of v is 4.
Okay. Then can I explain index of?
This one.
Explain that.
In index of when element is not included in given string, then its output is -1.
Okay. Then
Starting represent index of L.
what? Can you explain it? Hello, Nikita.
Also,
Can you explain?
in index of if element is present, then it represent -1, means it element is not present, then it represent -1. Like,
Now you are use love word in that. Okay. That time what will be the output?
hmm.
Remove the HTML and add the love or Angular word. Then what will be the output? First tell me.
HTML element is not present in given string, then
It yes, already got it.
hmm,
Now remove the HTML element and add the Angular word that instead of that.
index
Take its spelling properly first.
index number.
It's showing 7. Why?
A Angular starting in Angular is index
How many methods we use to extract this string?
3,
Which?
substring, substr, and slice.
Excuse me. Hello, Nikita. Can you speak loudly?
Yes, sir.
I
There are methods to extract the string:
yes.
slice, substring, and substr.
Okay. Then show me one example of slice and
Slice
okay. Show me one example of slice.
slice method is used to cut particular part of string. Slice method accepts negative argument. I this is output.
Okay. Now show me one example of splice.
Splice.
Yes, splice.
In Splice we can add and remove HTML elements.
You can show me.
Insert icon.
Okay. Right after the intro.
Okay, sir.
What is ternary operator? Show me one example on that.
I don't know, sir. But
What is difference between sum and every method?
in some, if one condition is when if we have given a condition in when In array, if one element is satisfies this condition, then output is true. Means in every all elements in array satisfies the condition, then its output is true. Yes. Yes.
Okay. What is difference between for each and map? Hello.
For each function,
For each method and map.
time complexity is more in for each as compared to map. Time complexity and space complexity.
Any other? Okay. Now I'm sharing some declaration group. Don't run it, but tell me the what will be the output. Okay. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now copy it from that.
Twenty, 10, undefined.
Sure.
Mm, Sorry, sir. Yep. Yep.
Yes, tell me.
Twenty, 10, 10, undefined. Sorry, 10, 10, 20, 10, 10, 10.
20. Can you write again in at line number 41 in committed format? Keep it. Yes, okay, you can. Don't use a plus and committed. Sorry, a single quote. Simply write your answer.
10.
Don't use plus like that way. Just write the full answer.
This is
Now, comment the line number 38. Comment that. Okay, now again 36. 36 line number 36. 36. Yes.
comment का.
Yes, comment that.
Hmm.
Now at line number 40,
Hmm.
remove the plus C.
Plus C.
Yes.
Hmm.
Now tell me what will be the output.
Not a number.
Okay. Can you print a random number between 1 to 10?
Hmm. 1 2 as like this, no? This.
A random number in console between 1 to 10.
As like this now. Put
Yeah.
this random number.
Yes, yes. Between 1 to 10.
Put this.
Okay, Nikita, you try it after the interview. Hello, hello.
Okay, sir.
Comment that. Cool. Yes, said. Okay. Now, tell me what is difference between factory function and construction function? No, I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
Tell me what is difference between factory function and constructor function?
Active function, we declare and return also. In construction function, I don't know, sir.
Okay. In chat, I'm sharing some one declaration with you. Just copy
Okay.
it. Okay. Hello, Nikita. Copy it for that. Go fast. Okay. Now remove the duplicate element from given array. Hello, what happened?
I don't know. I
Okay.
don't see.
Now we have some edges in given array. Okay.
Hmm?
In the given array, we have some edges. Okay.
Yes,
Now make it double.
double.
Yes, double the edges.
Okay, sir.
And show me their addition, all edges.
Means
First
first of
double the edges, then show me addition of all edges.
sir.
Mm,
Hello, sir.
okay. Now So meet said addition of all ages.
Mm,
Okay, you try it after the interview. Now, I'm sharing one declaration with you. Okay,
okay.
just copy it from chat. Do it fast. Okay. Now, in that string, we have some links. Okay, a daily
Mm,
like that. Okay. Now, I want to clickable all these links on UI. How to achieve it? Should be.
yes, sir.
Nikita, you try it after the interview again. Uh,
Yes, sir.
can you explain hypnosis series?
What, sir?
Hypnosis series.
Ex-
Yes, explain it.
in this series was starting with 0 and 1
Then show me one show with code.
example.
Yes. What happened? Hello. I'm okay now. You try it after again interview. Now take one string. I love JavaScript like that way.
Hmm.
Now reverse this string.
What, sir?
Reverse the string.
Reverse.
Yes. Okay, Nikita. You try it after the interview. Okay.
Hmm.
Do you have any question for me?
No, sir.